Ever wondered how to create a custom thank you page in WordPress without wasting time or guessing where everything is? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it from scratch, even if you're a beginner, and have it live in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and head to the WordPress website. On the home page, look for the login option, usually at the top right. Click it, and you'll see a few different ways to sign in. For this tutorial, we're using Continue with Google because it's fast, secure, and skips extra steps. Just make sure you pick the same Google account linked to your WordPress site. Select it from the list, and you'll land right inside your dashboard. From here, focus on the section labeled Quick Links. On the right side, you'll spot the Edit Site button. This is your shortcut to customizing anything on your website. Go ahead and click it. Once the site editor opens, look for the section called Pages. This area shows all the pages you've already created and lets you add new ones. To build your thank you page, select the option to add a new page. A blank page setup will appear, and the first thing you'll do is give it a name. Type in something clear and simple like Thank You Page. A specific title helps you recognize it easily later and keeps your site organized. Once you name it, click Create Draft. Saving it as a draft gives you the freedom to design everything before making it public. Now the fun part, customizing the page. You can add a thank you message, images, links, or any design elements that match your brand. Think about what you want visitors to see after they sign up, purchase, or submit a form. Keep the tone friendly and consistent with the rest of your site. When everything looks good and you're happy with the layout, it's time to make it live. Click the Publish button and your thank you page is officially ready for visitors. And that's it. You've just created a clean, professional thank you page in WordPress. No plugins, no confusion, and no extra steps. If this walkthrough helped you, stick around for more WordPress tutorials and website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.